Hello children, today I will continue lesson agriculture and the topic is food crops other than grains. Here comes the first, that is groundnuts. It is a kharif crop and it accounts for about half of the major oil seeds. And Gujarat is the largest producer of the groundnut, followed by Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh in the year 2016-2017. Next is the linseed and mustard are winter crops, that is the rabi crops. Sesame is kharif crop in the North India, but it is a rabi crop in the South India. Castor seed is grown both as a rabi crop and the kharif crops. Next crop is tea. Now tea is a crop which is known for plantation agriculture, and it is an important beverage crop which was introduced by the British in India initially. The tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates, endowed with deep and fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matter. Tea bushes require warm and moisture, that is frost-free climate, frequent showers, evenly distributed over the year, ensures continuous growth of tender leaves. It is a labor-intensive industry which requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. Now tea is processed within the tea gardens to restore its freshness. And the major states known for tea production are Assam, the hills of Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri districts, that is next is West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. In the year 2016, India was second largest producer of tea after China. Next crop is coffee. It is also known as, that is for the good quality all over the world, and the Arabica variety from Yemen is produced in a country which is famous all over the world. Initially, its cultivation was introduced on Baba Budan Hills, and today its cultivation is confined to the Nilgiri Hills in the South India, that is in the state of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now next topic is horticulture crops. Under this we grow vegetables as well as the fruits. So now India in 2016 was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world after China. Now which fruits are there? Mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges are famous from Nagpur and Cherrapunji of Meghalaya. Bananas are famous of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Mizoram and Maharashtra. Lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Pineapples are famous from Meghalaya. Grapes from the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. Apples, pears, apricots and walnuts famous from Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. And India is also producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, brinjal, cabbage, potato and tomato, etc. Now other than these food crops, there are non-food crops. Among them is rubber. So rubber is an equatorial crop but grows under special conditions in the which regions tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate and rainfall more than 200 centimeter, and temperature is required above 25 degrees Celsius, and it is mainly grown in the states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Garo hills of Meghalaya. It is an important industrial raw material, means its importance, it is used for the industrial purposes. Next one is the fiber crops. Now under the fiber crops we have the four major crops which are known as cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk. So first three, cotton, jute and hemp, are derived directly from the soil, whereas the natural silk we get from the cocoons of the silkworms fed on the green leaves of the mulberry. Next now the what is sericulture. So rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Next crop is that is cotton. Now India is believed to be the original home of the cotton plant, and it is one of the main raw material for cotton textile industry. In 2016, second largest producer after China. So India was the in the 2016 was the second largest producer after the China. It grows well in drier parts of black cotton soil and the Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature and light rainfall or irrigation, and requires 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. And the states known for the cotton production are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. And the last crop here is jute. Now jute is also known as golden fiber. Now geographical conditions are, it grows well on the well-drained fertile soils in the floodplains because it is renewed every year, and high temperature during the time of growth. The states known for jute production are Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya. And where it is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes and yarn, carpets and other artifacts. But the problem is faced by this industry is because of the high cost, it is losing its market to the synthetic fiber and packing materials, particularly the nylon. Now when we learn all these crops, whether they are the food crops, non-food crops or the fiber crops, if in the paper the question is our geographical conditions, then we are supposed to write the temperature, the climate, rainfall, soil and the areas. But in between, if the question is asked which country is the largest producer, so we have to learn it with the mnemonics. You can frame, you can make any mnemonics and then you can memorize the content. Now what steps have been taken by the government in the field of agriculture, technological and institutional reforms, and what is the impact of globalization on agriculture, we will continue in the next video. Thank you. Stay blessed.